Hello, good day everybody. Okay, we got a new project here. This I call it. It's actually PWM Music Visualizer. Okay, practically it's like the old window media player. Remember when you play music and you have those bars that sort of fluctuate from the top and they move up and down with the sound. Okay, just to remember that you have to adjust the sound on the potentiometer, which is here in this my case obviously. The same principle which I've explained it earlier on, where all the wires are, but I will have it on posted on the YouTube channel. Okay, so let's try some of YouTube music, so I don't get I don't get fined. So let's try this one and see how it works. Okay, this one was an example of music I played. Let's look for something more sort of bright. Try this one. I think this is too soft. You can see that it moves up and down according to the sound. It's very similar to also you can read the frequency. It's not 100% accurate, and it's random bars as well, but it does follow a certain level. It follows the music. Okay, so there we are. This was, just it's one of those. You can see it's quiet now, but when you talk, it moves up and down. When you play the music, move up and down, and gives that feeling that your sound is surround sound. Okay, let's have a look at the code here. I will post the code. I can make it too big here. Okay, I put an explanation here. It's a PWM Music Visualizer practically. Yeah, it works. It turns sounds input into PWM output signal to drive the LED or a speaker if you want. A visual animation on the OLED screen, volume bars, show basic frequency estimate. It's an estimate basic frequency. So there you are. It's not it's actually very nice. I think it's worked good. I also put a PWM pin here, so if you want to put an LED, the LED will sort of fade in and out or sort of flicker according to the sound. And the rest is I'm using this driver /LEDC, which manage the PWM. Okay, so, and you do need, but this driver comes with Arduino IDE. All right, so, and here it's the more, the timer configuration, and then the channel configuration, and all the way to this is the display, how you display the waves, and the height, the mapping, the frequency, Okay. Whatever. Yeah, there we are. I'm not gonna put something here as well. Okay, you have the analogRead, obviously. So remember, it's ADC 12-bit 4095. Okay. Yeah, and there it is. And then obviously you have the best, the voltage. When the sound sensor input the sounds is based on voltage. If you had an Arduino, which is a 8 bits, instead of putting 4095, you would put 1023, which is 3.3 volt. In this case, because it's multiplied by 12 bits, it's 4095 volt. So, but I will pause the code as well. Let's go back and see how it works again. Maybe some more music. Sorry, I got a bit of a cold. Okay, let's try. Yeah, maybe this one. Yeah, it goes up and down. Okay, so this is the way it works. I don't know if you're interested in this type of waves. I think they look nice as flicking bars with my sound, obviously. And that's the way it looks, principle. Okay, so it's a pin number 4 that goes to the back of the sound sensor. So you can see the sound sensor has 3 pins. Okay, one is the out, which goes to analog or ADC. Then it's got the ground in the middle, and it's got the VCC. The ground and the VCC, it's 3.3 volt. Okay, so and I did a railing here. You can see the railing is taking the 5 volt, the 3.3 volts from the ESP32 and the ground. It's the ground, and it's the voltage, VCC 3.3. Then here I brought the ground on this railing, which I don't need, so I can take this one off. Not sure why, for another project. Okay, so and then I've got the 2 pin, the SEL and SDA. You see the SD. Oh, no, you can't see. I don't know how to focus. Okay, you can't see it, but it's the ground VCC. Now the VCC for the OLED, I taken it from 5 volt. Okay, it's VCC 5 volt. The ground is the same. It doesn't matter. Ground, it's on the railing. It's fine. And okay, so here we have the SEL. SDA, which are data cable, and because only 2 cable, it's I2C. Okay, and that's it. I think everything is explained. Boom. All right, guys, thank you very much. Please thumbs up if you like it. Ciao.